Welcome back, my home cooks and chef. Today we're gonna make a peach cobbler cheesecake. You guys, two of the most amazing desserts. All right, you guys, we're gonna start with the crust first. Next, it's gonna be the filling. And last but not least, the amazing peaches that we're gonna make the topping with. So let's start with the crust. First thing you want to do is crush up 2 packs of graham crackers. Next, you want to add in 3 tablespoons of sugar or brown sugar. The next thing you want to do is add in 7 tablespoons of melted butter. Now let's get into making a form of this pie crust.
All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna use half of the batter. This is gonna be how you do the walls. I'm gonna leave a little bit for the bottom. All right. So just get a cup or a mug. I just use this little cup right here. And just go around the sides. Falling, you might need to add a little bit much more butter. But let me finish this up and I'll get to the bottom part. Press down hard, not too hard, but hard enough to pack everything down.
Put your oven on 350 degrees. Put your pie crust in your oven no longer than 15 minutes and you're done. Now it's time to make the filling. So what you want to do is have 3 cream cheeses, room temperature. Next you want to add in 1 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. Next you want to have, this is where the tartness come into play, a 1/2 cup of sour cream. Add in 2 teaspoons of lemon zest. And after that, you add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. And last but not least, add your 3 eggs in little by little and mix it on low. You don't want to add no air into your batter. So after we do this, we're going to actually fill in our pie crust next.
All right, so the crust is cooled down. Time to add the mixture in. Make sure your oven is on 350 degrees. Preheating beforehand. It should still be on, when you actually made the crust. All right, guys, so put this in the middle. Like I always say, add it to the middle, and it starts folding out to the rest of the sides of the pan. All right, make sure we got everything in. We don't want nothing wasted. All right, that's a bit, that's done. Now what you want to do is shake it up. Do a little drop test. Don't worry about the sides. This is to make sure no bubbles. It's flattened. And then we're going to get ready to put it in the oven. All right, so let's get this in the oven. You see I already have the water bath in there, the bottom of the pan. Now, like I said, you can do it the old school way with the water pan. They even have sleeves with silicone sleeves to go around these, but I found this to be, an easy way to do it without the mess and worried about, it leaking in if you do foil or something like that. So let's put it on the top rack. Make sure you put it in the center of the water pan on the top rack. So when the steam comes up, this is for it to cook evenly, you guys. So what I'm gonna do is leave it in here for 15 minutes, and then we're gonna turn the temperature down to 300 and let it stay in there for about 50 to a minute to an hour. All right, see you when this is done.
All right, for the topping portion, what we're gonna do is you only need 2 small peaches. Slice one up in slices and the other in cubes. Let's get over to the stove. Now we're gonna add 3 tablespoons of unsalted or salted butter. It's up to you. The next thing we're gonna be adding is 1 whole chopped up peaches. The other ones you're gonna save for later. And next, after this, you're gonna be adding in brown sugar, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, and 1/4 cup of water. Last but not least, you're gonna add in the vanilla extract. So that's about 1 to 2 tablespoons, depending on how much you like. And then after that, we're gonna mix all the ingredients together. Now remember, we're trying to make a peach cobbler, so be sure to add in your cinnamon. And following the cinnamon, we're gonna be adding in the nutmeg, you guys. And we're gonna get ready to mix this up and have it render down and be ready. And we're gonna have it cool down, so we're gonna add it on top of the cheesecake. Add it over, add the peaches that I just crushed up. And I'm adding them in while it's hot, so you can cook it. I don't want to lose too much of the bite of the fresh peaches. So just adding this in. Like I said, make sure you always keep, close attention to the pot, because you can actually burn it, and that's something we don't want to have in our cheesecake. What we'll do is lay them around. They don't have to be perfect. Just go all the way around, circle. Fill in a little bit of the other areas, if you like, with the rest of the peaches. All right, so I'm gonna get ready to finish this up, and then I'm gonna add the rest of it on top with the crumble. All right, so add the rest in. Alrighty. I know y'all probably say, "Oh, that'll take from the design." Well, that was just the beginning of it. Now, we're gonna add in the crumble. Yeah. Sprinkle it around. Now, you can leave it like it is. You don't have to have it on just on top. But I like the little crunch factor with this cheesecake. And just add it around. That's it. And pretty much, you guys, this is my version of my crumble peach cobbler cheesecake, you guys. Hope you guys definitely enjoyed it. I know I did. It brought back memories of my mom's peach cobbler. Since I like cheesecake, this was a perfect little rendition, to my contribute to, what I like the most. So let me know in the comments, would you try this, or have you tried it, or a different way to go about doing it. But this is my crumble. I know I'm gonna do another one, just a regular basic, peach cobbler cheesecake. This, I wanted to try my crumble for the first time. So, all right, so let me slice it up. Yeah, bye-bye. I want to thank you all for stopping on by to watch this peach cobbler cheesecake, guys. Hope to see you in the next one. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you later.